UAE, a country of vision and innovation, where dreams take flight and technology shapes the future. But for some, the dream of clear vision remains a challenge due to debilitating eye diseases. In the UAE, thousands face serious eye conditions, such as retinitis pigmentosa, glaucoma, optic nerve atrophy, and retinal detachment. These conditions often lead to a gradual loss of sight, impacting the quality of life. Stem cell therapy, a groundbreaking treatment revolutionizing eye care. Stem cells, particularly mesenchymal stem cells, hold the power to regenerate damaged tissues, offering hope for conditions once deemed untreatable. We target a wide range of conditions, including optic nerve hypoplasia, age-related macular degeneration, eye injuries, optic neuropathy, retinopathy, septo-optic dysplasia, and more. From early stages of glaucoma to severe cases of retinitis pigmentosa, stem cell therapy has demonstrated remarkable improvement, restoring hope for countless patients. At Stem Cell Care India, every patient is assigned a dedicated guest relation officer, GPO, to ensure seamless care, handling everything from hospital registration, medical appointments, visa assistance, and admissions to tailored dietary needs, language translation, complimentary airport transfers, and local travel, offering an unmatched experience that extends beyond treatment to comprehensive support for global patients. For UAE residents battling eye diseases, stem cell therapy isn't just a treatment, it's a second chance to see the world anew. And it begins with a single step. Take the first step toward transforming your vision and your life. Contact Stem Cell Care India today for personalized guidance, world-class treatment, and unwavering support. Your journey to better eye health starts here.